In this GlowShift gauges installation video, we'll show you how to install a GlowShift map line boost T-fitting adapter into your vehicle's 3/16" map line. The adapter features a 1/8 27 NPT port and allows you to easily install the electronic boost sensor or brass compression fitting included with your GlowShift boost gauge. For the purpose of this video, we will demonstrate this installation on a 2000 Ford Super Duty with a 7.3-liter power stroke. When you're ready, grab your tools and we'll meet you in the garage. Ensure that the engine is cool and disconnect the negative battery terminal before starting any work on the truck. After removing the engine cover with a 13mm socket, locate the manifold absolute pressure sensor line and remove the split wire loom. Cut the map line in half using hose cutters. Place hose clamps over the cut lines and insert the T-fitting into both cut ends. Tighten the included hose clamps to ensure a secure fit to the line. If using the brass compression fitting, be sure to wrap the fitting's thread with Teflon tape to ensure a tight seal. Tighten using an 11mm wrench. Connect the nylon boost line with the ferrule fitting and tighten using a 3/8" wrench. If using the electronic sensor, simply tighten using a 22mm wrench. Be sure to route the sensor harness or boost line to the back of the gauge and secure any loose wires with zip ties. Finally, cut the split wire loom in half and reinstall to protect the map line. You've now successfully installed your GlowShift 3/16" map line boost T-fitting adapter into your 3/16" map line. For a full boost gauge installation, click the video in the top right corner of the screen or follow the link in the description below. If you have any questions, concerns, or comments, please contact us at 1-888-GS-GAUGE, and we'll see you on the road.